A whale buying spree is underway. Today, we're going to be breaking down some good things that could be going on in the market, but also some other things to watch. So stick around for all that. I want to thank our sponsor today, and that is OKX. In a time like right now, volatility is one of the biggest things that can happen. One thing you can do is earn up to 4.1% APY, both on USDG as well as RLUSD. So start earning over there today. This is available for you by using our link. So this is a big deal. No subscriptions. You don't have to be part of a membership or anything like that. And best of all, no lockups here. So you guys can earn, and then immediately get your money back. It doesn't matter. So very easy to do it. You guys can jump over to okx.com and check it out over there. Use our link for some special offers to get going. All right, I want to go into a few points today that I think will give a little bit of bullish news coming in. And Ben Grossman kind of hit it on the head here. I'm getting a tingling feeling. Crypto is back. How do you guys feel? Do you have that tingling feeling that crypto is back? Or do you see some things that could be signs for the bottom? Because I think that is what I'm watching. If you look at the process of the bottom being in, the question is, how long does that bottom last? Here was an analysis on the bottom building in progress. And if you look at a few points, I want to highlight a couple of things within this article. Since early February 2026, price traded below the active investor cost basis, the recent buyer break-even level, approximately 5 months, making this one of the more extended deep value episodes that we've seen in Bitcoin. So if you compare that to also where that mean value is and the realized price, you'll start to see, the blue line is realized price. You'll start to see the last time we saw this was in December of 22, where it actually dipped below, and then we saw the market respond. This is kind of where we are right now. It doesn't mean it can't go below this realized price level, but the point is, could it be starting to set the basis for a market bottom? And the fact that we've got everything that's going wrong right now, I feel like, in macro, and Bitcoin is still holding at 62K, is a pretty good sign, I think, of we might have and or be entering a bottom. Here was Brownstone talking about this. Bitcoin sellers are exhausted, and recently price action may be proof of a bear market bottom. And this is, a bullish divergence. We've talked about this many times with Tim, and I think some analysts now are starting to watch this as well, is that we are seeing the kind of activity, especially when you look at the whales, and I'll show you something that's kind of interesting on that here in a second. But I've got a clip here talking about, are we close to the bottom or not? Take a look.
Bad news isn't moving the market lower, that maybe that's an indication that things are steadily improving. I know that's sort of a silver lining, but you would think that, the Iran war or ceasefire ending, or, like you said, a hawkish Fed, it's been a lot of things that would traditionally be bad